Hi, my name is Judy, and I wanted to share my testimony with you. About 5 years ago, I came with Dr. Jody, and I came with many severe symptoms. I remember trying to walk in, and I was feeling weak. I had a lot of pain. I had a lot of inflammation inside of everything that I had in my body. I have a lot of weakness in many areas. I have up and down blood pressure, many things. After I came in with him, he rebooted me. It took me through a process, and I felt so much better and regained back my normal health. Then he had recommended that I come back, but life went on and I didn't come back. About a couple months ago, I told myself I need to go back to Dr. Jody. I was not feeling my best. And I remember everything he had taught me from the beginning. And I came to see him about a month and a half ago. And I came back, he did his treatments. And what I noticed is that my body rebooted back. Just today I came in and I was feeling fatigued. He rebooted me with his treatments and I'm back up and alert with no pain, with energy. I can feel it right now. So I recommend anybody who's feeling that they're trying to regain their health. This has made the biggest difference for me. And I thank Dr. Jody for that. I was recommended to be able to come back at least once a year to check in with Dr. Jody, but I didn't do that. I waited by about 4 years now, and I could feel it in my body. I could feel the difference. I knew that I had to come back and see him. So again, just within that time, having come back and having been able to be rebooted, I regained my health. And I'm regaining my health with a couple of treatments. Unlike the first time when there was a different level, different number of treatments, this time it's been very quick. My body has reboosted a lot quicker, and that's what we need.
Well, it's only one session. When you come in, it's a maintenance session. But when you first came in, I could remember, I kept smiling at you. I knew you were such a nervous wreck. You were feeling so much anxiety.
Yes, I remember exactly what I was feeling. I remember that I had gone to many doctors. They all wanted to put me on anti-anxiety pills. That was the number one because they couldn't find anything wrong with me. But I knew that there was something wrong with me. And I knew I wasn't making things up. There was something wrong with my body. So when I came to Dr. Jody, he explained to me exactly what was going on in my body. Not only did it give me a sense of calm, okay, I know something's wrong. I remember feeling the immediate support from his treatments. And it changed me. It just changed me, with so much pain, with so much anxiety, with so much struggle, with so much complications. And then after his treatments, my body just rebooted. But I remember the first day, how challenging it was to have all those symptoms.
What was it? Did you have fibromyalgia?
Yes, I had a pain. When the doctors had told me that besides the anxiety, that I had possibly a fibromyalgia because I was feeling so much pain. And so once again, it was a lot of information from doctors saying that I needed to have just medication to calm me down, medication to supposedly lower the inflammation. But I didn't want to do that. I didn't want to go on medication. And I know that there was something else to do. And this when Dr. Jody explained to me everything from the treatments to taking care of myself. You have to own that. You have to become a part of your system, maintaining your system. But just like Dr. Jody says, though, it's like a car, right? You take your car in for maintenance. We have to do that, and we have to reboot it, and we have to take care of it. And the treatments that he gives us, give us that reboost, give us those treatments to make you feel better, because your body, no matter what we do, how little or how much we do, we all go through different levels of stress, and we need to maintain it. So with Dr. Jody's treatments, as right now, as I see it, it's the immediate. You can feel the immediate feedback from what he's doing, and your body just gets healthier.
It's called integration, when everything just synchronizes back together again.
And integration.
Synchronization with the organisms.
And you feel it. I feel it right now. I came in just 15 minutes ago, and I was telling you I was tired. I was exhausted. My eyes were drooping. My body was down. And he did his treatment. And I could just feel my energy back up again. It's amazing. It's amazing. So I see now that I've learned now that it does require a maintenance at least once a year to come in and check and see how you're doing and rebooting and check in. But again, just like a car, right? You're maintaining our car. You're maintaining that, make sure that it runs good. Your body's even more worth than that to be able to do that. So it is a maintenance and making sure you take ownership of that. Dr. Jody is, like I said, I saw many doctors many years ago. And what I noticed with Dr. Jody is, first of all, he takes and listens to you. He listens to what your needs are. And then he examines you and he knows what your body needs. And the difference is that you see the results immediately. There's no medication. There is the treatments that he has, and he asks you, how do you feel? How is it making you feel better? And he maintains. He's open. You can email, you can call, you can do have any questions, and he constantly guides you. But he's explaining everything he's doing and how your body is responding and why it's responding a certain way.
Wonderful. And last word, what you say to people out there that, especially now during COVID, think that, what am I going to do? Is there really hope?
I think if anything, if you're out there feeling, I'm not feeling good, I feel worried, I'm not sure what's going to happen, everything's going on right now, the world is chaotic, my job is chaotic, everything's changed, there is hope, because I do see it with Dr. Jodie. He explains things enough that a person can understand and make sense for yourself. I've already recommended about 3 friends already just this year to let them know you need to invest in yourself. There's nobody else will do it. And Dr. Jodie is a perfect doctor to help you invest in yourself.